Okay, on this hot sunny day, these ducks here are having a bath. Now these are not adult ducks. Most of them are still juvenile. And they're having a cool bath in this small little pond here. Okay. The young ones, the young ducklings, are really yellow in color. And these ones here, I think these are teenagers. And they are rather pale. They're turning into white. Like some of those. Okay, look there. Some of those, the white ones those are adults. Okay. And my wife here is feeding them with pellets. Look at them feed. Look at them eat. And that's it. As you can see here though, this one here is really big. Really huge compared to the other teens. This one here is an adult. And another one has joined them. Okay, that's it. That's all our pellets. Okay, that's a wrap.